Ever wish your memories felt as fresh as the day they were made? Imagine being able to relive your happiest moments, your proudest achievements, or even those little everyday joys with the same vividness and emotion as when they first happened. What if you could close your eyes and suddenly, it's like you're right back in that moment, smelling the air, hearing the laughter, feeling the excitement all over again. For most of us, memories fade and blur with time, but what if there was a way to bring them back to life, sharper and more colorful than ever before? Science might have found the ultimate brain hack. Get this, scientists have discovered a time travel memory hack that actually makes old memories feel brand new. This isn't science fiction or some wild fantasy. It's real cutting-edge neuroscience, and it's changing the way we think about our own minds. Researchers have been working tirelessly to understand how our brains store, retrieve, and even reshape memories. And now, they've uncovered a method that lets us refresh those faded recollections, making them as crisp and detailed as the day they were formed. No, you don't need to build a DeLorean, just a little brain power. Forget about flux capacitors and time machines from the movies. The real secret to time travel lies within your own mind. All it takes is a bit of focus, some imagination, and a willingness to dive deep into your own mental archives. The best part? Anyone can do it, no fancy gadgets required. Here's how it works. Researchers found that by reactivating certain pathways in your brain, you can actually strengthen and rejuvenate your memories. Think of your brain as a vast network of roads and highways. When you recall a memory, you're traveling down a specific route. The more often you take that route, the clearer and smoother it becomes. But if you neglect it, weeds grow, and the path gets harder to follow. Scientists have discovered that by intentionally revisiting and enriching these mental pathways, you can clear away the cobwebs and make those old memories shine again. This process is called memory reconsolidation. When you remember something, your brain briefly makes that memory flexible, almost like soft clay. During this window, you can reshape, enhance, and even update the memory with new details or emotions. By doing this, you're not just recalling the past, you're actively rebuilding it, making it stronger and more vivid than before. It's like giving your brain's photo album a serious upgrade, dusting off those old snapshots and making them pop with color again. Imagine taking a faded, yellowed photograph and running it through a high-tech restoration process. Suddenly the colors are brighter, the faces are clearer, and the emotions leap off the page. That's what this memory hack does for your mind. It takes those moments you thought were lost to time and brings them back to life in stunning detail. So, how do you do it? Simple. Focus on a memory, any memory you want to relive. It could be your first day at school, a family vacation, or even a quiet afternoon with a friend. Close your eyes and let yourself sink into that moment. Don't just think about what happened, try to feel it. Let your mind wander through every detail, every sensation, every emotion that made that memory special. Add tons of details. What did you hear, smell, or feel? The more senses you involve, the more powerful the effect. Was there music playing in the background? Could you smell fresh-cut grass or the aroma of your favorite food? Did you feel the warmth of the sun on your skin or the cool breeze on your face? The brain loves sensory information, and the more you feed it, the more real your memory becomes. And maybe try imagining it from a new angle. Picture the scene from above or from someone else's point of view. Sometimes, seeing things from a different perspective can unlock hidden details and emotions you didn't even realize were there. It's like exploring a familiar place with fresh eyes, discovering new corners and hidden treasures in your own mind. Some people even replay the memory backwards, like rewinding a crazy movie scene. This quirky trick can help you notice things you missed the first time, or simply make the memory feel more playful and alive. It's a fun way to shake up your mental routine and keep your brain engaged. It sounds wild, but studies show it really works. Neuroscientists have run experiments where people use these techniques, and the results are astonishing. Participants reported that their memories felt more vivid, more emotional, and even more accurate after practicing these hacks. Brain scans showed increased activity in areas linked to memory and emotion, proving that this isn't just a placebo effect, it's real measurable brain change. Why does this matter? Well, it could help students ace exams, not just by memorizing facts, but by truly understanding and experiencing the material. Imagine being able to recall a lesson as if you were sitting in the classroom all over again, hearing the teacher's voice, seeing the diagrams, and feeling the excitement of learning something new. This technique could revolutionize the way we study and remember information. Let grandparents cherish every detail, reliving precious moments with loved ones and sharing their stories with new generations. For older adults, this memory hack can be a powerful tool for keeping connections alive, preserving family history, and finding joy in the past. It's a way to keep memories from slipping away, turning nostalgia into a living, breathing experience, or even boost brain health as we age. Regularly exercising your memory pathways can help keep your mind sharp, reduce the risk of cognitive decline, and improve overall mental well-being. It's like a workout for your brain, keeping it flexible, resilient, and ready for whatever life throws your way. And honestly, who wouldn't want to time travel in their own mind? With just a little practice, you can turn your brain into a personal time machine, revisiting your favorite moments whenever you want. It's a superpower we all have, just waiting to be unlocked. So, next time you're feeling nostalgic, give your brain's time machine a spin. Take a few minutes to dive into your memories, add some new details, and see how fresh and real they can feel. You might be surprised at what you discover and how much joy it brings. Want more bite-sized science wonders? Tap subscribe and let's bend reality together. The world of neuroscience is full of amazing discoveries, and we're just getting started. So join us on this journey, and let's unlock the secrets of the mind, one memory at a time.